Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to explore the exciting technological battle between OpenAI and Google. Is OpenAI with its innovative GPT-4 Omni really ahead of the game? Or is Google with its powerful new technologies like the Gemini 1.5 Pro about to take the lead? Come with me to find out who is defining the future of artificial intelligence, what innovations are changing the market, and how it can all impact our lives. Let's dive deep into this epic showdown and reveal the details you'll lose sleep over. For starters, you already know. Comment below if you use OpenAI's Chat GPT or Google's Gemini combined. Let's talk in the comments. This week has been very busy in the tech world with Google I/O, the big conference at the pinnacle of developers where they show off their latest news and try to prove that they are still at the top of the AI game. But just when Google thought it had all the attention, OpenAI came up with a major update of its own. The competition between these two is getting very intense. Let's take a look at what each one announced, the coolest innovations, and what it all means to see who's really leading the AI world and why. Let's start with Google I/O. Sundar Pichai and his team have come up with a slew of new updates, mostly related to AI. The highlight of the show was the Gemini 1.5 Pro, which now has a context window of 2 million tokens. This basically means that it can handle massive amounts of data at once, such as 2 hours of videos or wade through 60,000 lines of code at once. To make all this data processing more efficient, they introduced context caching, an innovation that reuses tokens at a fraction of the cost, making using such a large context window much more accessible. Google also announced a new tool named Firebase GenKit that integrates with their AI model, making it simpler to build AI-enabled API endpoints. Furthermore, they're launching Project IDX, which is like a browser-based version of VS Code, now open for the public. To be frank, one of the coolest things was the introduction of Firebase Data Connect that now brings PostgreSQL to Firebase. This has been the most requested feature for years, and it's finally here. For those unaware, PostgreSQL is a database system, an open source and incredibly strong relational object that has earned its spot in the tech community. Its integration into Firebase means a great deal to app developers who need a stronger data handling. But when we thought Google would have all the attention, OpenAI turned up with a massive surprise. On Monday, just a few hours before the big Google I/O event, OpenAI released a spring update and unveiled the GPT-4 Omni. This new model is faster and cheaper than the GPT-4 Turbo, and it combines text, vision, and audio into one seamless system. What really stood out about the GPT-4 Omni was its ability to change pitch in a fluid manner. It can transition from a laid-back accent to casual conversation to a dramatic or sarcastic tone and even to a soothing bedtime story voice. Interestingly, OpenAI has announced that they are in talks to bring the GPT-4 Omni to the iPhone. This could be a major development as Google is also working on bringing its AI known as Gemini to Apple devices. The race to dominate mobile AI is officially on, and it seems like OpenAI might have an edge. Let's discuss how these AI models actually perform in real-world scenarios. OpenAI's GPT-4 Omni is setting new standards. An AI that not only understands your words, but also the context, tone, and visual elements surrounding you is not merely a neat feature, but truly revolutionary. Think about virtual assistants, customer service bots, or even personal companions that can truly understand and interact like humans. The OpenAI's model is leading the way and bringing these scenarios to life. Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro, though impressive with its large context window, still feels slightly robotic compared to OpenAI's offering. Google is integrating its AI into practical tools many of us use daily. from enhancing email summarization in Workspace Labs to adding AI overviews to Google search. These are undoubtedly useful features, but they don't have the same wow factor as OpenAI's multimodal capabilities. Innovation is where the battle really heats up. OpenAI's GPT-4 Omni is no longer just text-based. It understands images, videos, and sounds, making it a true multimodal AI. Meanwhile, Google has introduced Project Astra, which looks similar to GPT Omni. For example, in the official demo, they asked Astra where their glasses were. Quote, "Do you remember where you saw my glasses?" Unquote. And he actually did give an answer. Quote from the AI, "Yes, I remember. Your glasses were on the table near a red mass." Unquote. It's cool, but the latency and less natural voice response compared to OpenAI's model show that Google is still playing catch up. And speaking of playing catch up, before we continue, remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video to stay updated. Your likes and subscriptions contribute to the growth of the project, and as the project grows, I can bring you more interesting videos. Agreed? Thanks for the support. Continuing, a significant innovation from Google is the VO model, a video generator designed to compete with OpenAI's Sora. Google's VO can generate high-quality videos in 1080p. While the initial demos look promising, some examples were a bit blurry and lacked the sharpness of OpenAI's offerings. It's a step forward, but then again, it looks like OpenAI is setting the pace. Let's talk about leadership and strategy. First, let's address the elephant in the room. OpenAI has just said goodbye to Ilya Suk, its chief scientist and one of the co-founders. Ilya was the brains behind many of OpenAI's biggest advancements, so his departure is a big deal. The reasons behind this are still a mystery, but it shows how crazy and unpredictable the AI industry can be. OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman gave high praise to Ilya's contributions and assured everyone that the mission would continue under new leadership. On the other hand, Google remains consistent with its leadership, but is striving to innovate and catch up. They recently announced new hardware like Trillium TPUs and Axion CPUs for their data centers. They are heavily investing in building the necessary infrastructure to support their AI ambitions. This hardware is crucial for expanding their AI models and making them more accessible to users. Public perception is a huge part of this battle. According to recent surveys, about 90% of people found OpenAI's updates much more exciting than Google's announcements at the big I/O event. It's not just about flashy presentations, but about delivering technology that really seems innovative. OpenAI's ability to generate hype and capture people's imaginations gives them a massive advantage. Google ads are solid, but they often give the impression that they're lagging behind. The new features are useful, sure, but they don't have the same immediate wow factor. Looking ahead, the road to artificial general intelligence and beyond is fraught with challenges. OpenAI's strategy involves using each generation of AI systems to improve the next, creating a cycle of self-improvement. This interactive approach can potentially accelerate the development of AGI, where an AI can perform any intellectual task that a human can. On the other hand, Google is more focused on integrating AI into practical applications, making it an indispensable part of our daily lives. They're working on AI agents, which can act as virtual colleagues, enhancing productivity tools and improving user experiences. This hands-on approach ensures that AI is integrated into our daily routine, making it more accessible and useful for the average user. Both companies know the importance of security and alignment in developing these advanced AI systems. For example, OpenAI has been vocal about their efforts to ensure AGI is developed securely and benefits all of humanity. They have dedicated a significant portion of their computing resources to safety research, acknowledging the possible risks associated with powerful AI. Powerful AI? So who's got the lead now? It looks like OpenAI is leading, Their ability to innovate quickly, combined with strategic launches that capture public interest, keeps them at the forefront of the AI race. The integration of text, vision, and audio into GPT-4 Omni is a significant advancement, positioning OpenAI as a leader in AI multimodal. But when we really think about it, as these two giants continue to push the boundaries of what AI can do, the real winners are us, the users, and the AI community generally. Competition drives innovation, leading to AI technologies more advanced, useful, and exciting. Hey guys, who do you think is winning the AI race? OpenAI or Google? Comment there. I'd love to talk about it with you. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Indications of upcoming videos are popping up here right now that make perfect sense for you to watch. See you in the next video. See you soon.